Alright guys, it's a 2018 or 19 Freightliner Cascadia with another AC evaporator, which all this has to come out. This doesn't have to come out, it just drops down. All that has to come out. All this dash, I don't take them all the way out, I just move them out of the way. All this down here has to come out. And the box, which is in here, the AC box is right here, has to come out to get the evaporator out. So I know I've done a video before on this, and we'll try and make this video a little better, so bear with me, and we'll get this truck air conditioning fixed. So we'll be right back. All this stuff had to come out. Grab handle, all the plastic down here. Alright guys, we're doing the AC evaporator. It's 2018 Freightliner Cascadia. And once you get the dash to this point, there's 6 studs. There's 2 right there. And there's 2 directly underneath of them. I don't know, I'm not going to be able to show them to you. But this is where the AC evaporator is, inside this right here. So this whole box has to come out. It will come out. I'll take those nuts out and we'll get after it after that. Yeah, it's not an easy job.